Come home to a tropical palm-dotted paradise of ultimate peace and calm. Prepare all your senses for true indulgence. Renaissance Nature Walk, located at Whitefield, is designed to take full advantage of its natural surroundings. With just 147 premium row houses, enjoy an uncommon exclusivity at Nature Walk. The exclusive enclave is just 5 minutes drive to ITPL, prime shopping, dining or entertainment areas, and is in close proximity to prestigious schools and hospitals. Renaissance Nature Walk not only conforms to Indian Green Building Council gold standards, but also meets all your lifestyle expectations. Luxuriate in all the space that you need and be surrounded with the finest finishes and fittings that will make your dream home come true. A new lifestyle, a new outlook. Renaissance Nature Walk. Lung space inside the city.